Are you thinking about diving into final expense insurance sales? Are you just wanting to find success and profitability? Well, I'm going to give you some words of warning about what it's going to take for you to find the wealth in this very simple industry. So, before I dive into this, my name is Jason. I'm your friend in the business, and I'm very blessed to partner and work shoulder to shoulder with some of the most amazing insurance agents selling life, Medicare, and annuities face to face, but more importantly, in the telespace. So free resources always for your taking at jasonfinalexpense.com. And I appreciate you partnering with us by watching this video today. And I hope it's a help to you. So first off, understand point number one, if you want to have powerful productivity and actually make some paper, get some money up in your bank account, you've got to look at this industry with the proper lenses. This industry is not one that hands out participation trophies. And I know we're in an era where, oh, everybody's a winner. You're not a winner in this space. Understand, until you've helped somebody with a policy, you don't get paid. It's very simple. This is not a participation trophy business. So if you're one that's like, well, I just want to like jump into a car and talk to some people and I deserve to get paid really well, that kind of a mindset will mess you up, my friends. You got to understand it's a performance-based business. Those that do are those that get. And if you don't get into action, if you don't do a couple little things really well, you will not make the wealth. You'll lose your wealth trying. So winning in this business matters. It's a performance-based business. There is risk in this space so that you can find reward, which is great. Top producers love this. People that have high work ethic, man, they can have abilities to do just amazing things. But there is no such thing as a participation trophy. It's a performance-based business. And this beats up a lot of insurance agents that jump into it thinking that it's easy street, jumping into this business of final expense insurance sales, thinking that it's fast and easy money. Biggest lie you've ever seen. Now, can you make a lot of great money in this industry? Oh, yeah. It's massively amazing when you make it, but it's a performance-based business. When it gets tough, do you take off? If you got a whole lot of flight in you, please don't find yourself in this business. It'll beat you up and spit you out the other side. There's no mercy in this business. If you want to make a lot of money in this business, you want to have a chance to do it and find success, you've got to be diligent. You've got to be disciplined, my friends. You got to be doing. The most important thing at every given moment when your feelings are going to find you in those little soft spaces. This is why mentorship is so important. You want to make money, you got to have a mentor that will push you out of your soft places, because soft insurance agents don't find success. If you're not one that embraces sweat and goes, "Ooh, I can do this. I can go and go and go." And when the fight comes, I don't run out the back door. A lot of people get robbed of opportunity in this industry because when things get tough, you know what happens? They take off. They head out the back door. You'll never be a beast if you're one that takes off. Do you take too much time off? Are you taking the business seriously, or do you get sloppy? If you want to make a career, you want to give this a go, you want to get the best chance of success and survival, my friends, I can do this. I can do this. And you will do this instead of I won't or I can't. I can't hurts a lot of agents, or I won't. Or if you're one that procrastinates, you're one that's like, you know what? I'll put this off till tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to make you broke. You got to do this today, the today show. All right. You get sucked into this idea of tomorrow I'll do this. Tomorrow I will be a beast. Tomorrow I'll do this or that. You'll never take your career to new heights. Having success with final expense telesales, final expense face-to-face sales comes with risk attached, and it's a real risk. You've got to be a doer, not a thinker. All right. Doesn't mean you don't use your brain, but you've got to be a doer. You got to go see the leads, go show value, go protect people, and follow processes. Like I say, if you get sloppy, boy, not a very happy place. You can make tremendous money when you make it. And 90% of the agent force fails because they think there's a participation trophy involved. They don't put 100% of them into helping the greatest people you've ever had the privilege of talking to. But it's also maybe you're not purchasing leads on the weekly. You got to buy leads on the weekly, and you got to work those leads like you're going to go broke, because my friends, you will. This is, like I say, a performance-based business. You want to get put out of the business? Think there's a participation trophy by sitting on your hands and not helping people. It's about having high action, having a high skill set, having a high will set, a good work set, and a good mental mindset so that you can make the wealth in this simple industry, my friend. The sting of rejection is not always fun. But if you want to find success, you're going to swim in those waters to find the wealth. I can do this. I can do this. I will do this, even when I don't always feel like it. Your feelings will find you broke. And people that are like, oh, I just get paid based on just being here, right? Biggest lie you've ever seen. But you'll love this industry once you make it, once you stick, once you stay, once you have a good work family with turnkey systems like what we provide here at jasonfinalexpense.com. You've got a great chance for success, but success is not guaranteed for anyone. And that is why so many insurance agents don't make it, because they got to look in the mirror at the end of their day and goes, you know what? I got paid what I'm worth. And there's some days you got to look into that mirror and go, you know what? I was overpaid yesterday or today. And you know what? Today I'm a little underpaid, but I'm going to put on my big boy britches and go bring it. I'm going to go bring action. I'm going to go bring value. I'm going to go help save somebody through the power of final expense sales, final expense telesales. It's terrific when you get this, when you get to do this instead of being in this mindset of, oh, I have to go do this. No, that'll take your wind out of your sails when you start licking your wounds. Go be a warrior today. You'll never experience victory without going through the small battles and the big battles that are needed and necessary so that you can find success and be the best in this very simple industry. If you need any resources or good work family to call a home, jasonfinalexpense.com. Hope this short little video brought you some value. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon, my friends. And just know you've got what it takes. Dig deep, be dynamic, and go deliver value. We'll see you soon. I appreciate you.